Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Civil Hospital Nongpo launches Special Newborn Care Unit SNCU for district residents. Controversy brews as Tourism Department transforms Police Bazaar into entertainment hub. FKJGP hosts crucial meeting to boost farming in West Khasi Hills. And suspected petrol bomb attack destroys government vehicle outside Water Resources Department office. And now the news in detail. On May 1st, the Civil Hospital Nongpo unveiled a new facility dedicated to providing specialized care for newborn babies facing various illnesses termed the Special Newborn Care Unit SNCU. This altruistic initiative aims to support district residents by offering medical assistance free of charge. Dr. H.B. Buam, the pediatrician and head of SNCU, highlighted the long-standing commitment of the hospital's leadership towards this cause. The establishment of SNCU stands as a testament to the hospital's dedication to ensuring the well-being of newborns and easing the burden on families in times of medical need.
Di saya kena ke SNCU gila mun ban pili last lab nama dulu state dulu gila pressure banyak man pili ngadut aduk last 3 years tambah di kuarang dan don marwai tementah gila pak spesialis armut kenang ban nyok ban pili kena SNCU di alas nemenin gila su pili untuk yang sedang pun nompang non aduk last mentah kasi di dak jingdon kena SNCU kan yarap sibun bahaya gi ini nong Shillong nong Khubor district nomor bunsin ini khulung berang suka ki bom yam bah tinggi hap suka bisa yo sebetani le Shillong tagalong di dong sibun lagi nong trash nong Shillong nong Khubor tidak kejingdon kan ya SNCU kan penmentoy bah ki nomor bah mentara mundur khulung yam layo dengan special care ne kimdon kam chu balle Shillong kimdon kam chu balle sebetani te khamtam ki khulung ki bastem ro kalau nggak simple bagi kulung bastem, tinggi hapa sudah sebetulnya, dan sudah Shillong, dan nomor dari gilis sebetulnya ru kena uji bastem ka Shillong renta dah, dah gitu sumar tu, tebahannya layak free ru, nadong Shillong, tangkat tay.
Yang kemarin ini kita apa?
Kita bun gila biang ru nadong Shillong, dan don kerja tu sebagai bam 4 ini yo kita support ini selesai.
Okay, kita not lagi bad lu kelak.
Supposedly.
Ya, benar. Yang benar tak.
Ke maksimum di Bobek. Tangkat tahi ikan dan cetia. Dapat kata tim lah sudah tampus Bobek.
The recent decision by the Tourism Department to transform Police Bazaar into a recreational hub has stirred outcry among those who rely on the bustling area for their livelihoods. The move aimed at providing entertainment for visitors involves hosting performances by states-renowned artists. However, street vendors vehemently opposed the decision, insisting on the construction of a new market in Maulong before relocating. Minister of Tourism Paul Lyngdoh announced plans to relocate vendors to alternative locations in June, signalling impending changes that have sparked debate and concern among those affected by the decision.
Ya kenekaan kebangi dawa mengi bat mentaro kadang ya syat kini ki jingle survey ki nong di madan te kenekaan ke labatha ka sakar ban pentri kamro ya ka bamenta sipor kadang dai tangka professional TVC ka TVC ka bapuraro ngidang ya ap makin pentri kam te baru khaj habban Peit benia habban boong ketakaan ke bangi dawa mengi ketika Regulation and Protection of Livelihood 2014 Act kabamud regulate ro tamba kabadai ban don ro kata protection but polling do ong ban weng yi kinong di madan hako PB kanile kadai ka natural market kabala don daki po slam na do mansha kumno weng but ke kabala ban weng ban Peit jaka ban penkenria ya kinong dia madam ro kadai betang ke TBC tang ke tahun vending committee kepala ban lei ya kinong dia madam kani ka message ka ba ai pol ki hapo ya ki brio ka ba pelong pelumari kinong dia madam ban penkenria hana katong vending committee yang membatai ya ki katung kaan kabala batai sai nakasispa person kamot 100% tagi dai kinong mat hat TVC dai kinong di madam bam indai tangki nong di madan rek don ki be ro ki baper kum ki snong ki thau kum ki badai nakalian jong traffic ki sang halang ki bayat trai kam lang dan lang te rangkat kata ka TVC kepala da form ngin ya keren lang kanya ka taun vending committee bahan no bala bansong bahan no bam la bansong ngin ya relocate lang mau shimet umla ban suong baik ba ngai khapnya ngin ya weng ngin ya be no mentale tang ka sarbiru impat pendepre in banga ong manga ban biang saksi sin ba la nyo prakali kisnem ya kun manpan ya kani kaan ban pentrikam hani hajala joni bat kaying shari badan buram ro kala de batha ka sarkar ba kidai ban pentrikam no kloi ba hakani kaan ka don ka jingkhen ka don ka holding capacity 2.5 ba idon ta ki jingkhen jingdia ro ba lada don kata laki nong song tak no pat kila ban mi hamadan te kidai ban le kata ka institute survey ka ba benia ka license ban ai license lagi nong dia madan ro kidai ban shai kam dai ban ya Peit liang ban Peit liang yano ro tengila ada keren shai ro ba hakani ka an ro kita ai ka license ro kidai ban long ka bakhui kawai ka long yin kawai ka license teki ban penha ban pentrai kam ban pen nadong karai am pasong bai tang ka taun vending committee tang ka TVC hi halor kinong dia badan ban dai
nga dei terteng jong nga dei violin perdo ngalong ro ka dei ka presiden jong ini seng nong di madam je ka banong kong ngakwa bangan pensngeu hakani kapor namar ba ngayo menin ba nakaliang jong i ba poleng do dei ngakat pa di ba dei than ba in nhiều bên dei than ba in chukwa ba tang ban kendria ya kinong di madan henrei kajing syam ngi la biang phat kum te mar ngi kam pentut yenu ru kakali ru kaya brio ya henrei ba pol pada yang bakin weng yangi bakin ai hak hang ni po muda long namar kayo kamran yo namar hang ni latip angin hapsiu yang tak bai wai de kibun nap deng jongi dei dan kesingi tang ban buhani ru iklam buhani re jenang ta pada kabniam hiru bat kamlong hiru hang ni bangin syong hang ni po muda namar kat kejing ong jongi yang gumni ang namar ba kirsa ai takajaka ka bakin yo pateng la pateng henrei kata kajing ong jong ihaw ni pediang ni setanat ma bakin ai ta Jakarta ba alis banong ban ai hang ni po parking hang ni namar kajing sewi ka jong em kam sui hap ya namar Peit hang ni unong di madan ubabun kamplong hang ni pas ka bay ro hap siu ya ka bay wan Wadang isyong hang tiha baru. Yung dan yo rekum kayo mentau snem lo mar kayo kelahir bapalat. Jana mar bagin ong ina ban kria yang hang lengi mum tre. Bat ong ina bakin ikwa hi kumai jikwa ba poli ong ba ban pen keluit nadu nak ndai la hom so sun mar ban ibun kini giga daki lai hajar pami kita kini ba batem baput dei Henry lada ide iba i pet benia i bisar benia en kikun kinong di madan lagi kibun ha kibanang bantem banput ban ruai ban siau kibun ha hai la di kiru ken nama lada long hikum ta mar khnang batiru kin yo ban kamajak ko dak to karwai manong na ba kin priang iki bru kibana bahar kin wan.
The Federation of Khasi, Jantia and Garo People, West Khasi Hills, convened a pivotal gathering on May 2nd, orchestrated by the Agriculture Cell. Attended by farmers, cattle breeders and officials from agriculture, horticulture, veterinary, dairy and the office of BDO Nostan Block, the meeting aims to revitalize farming practices in the state while providing support to farmers. Held at Bishop's Hall, Nongstoin, the event facilitated an exchange of ideas between stakeholders. Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills, Garrett L.S.N. Dykes, graced the occasion as the chief guest, alongside Dundee Cliff Kongsit, President of FKJGP, as the guest of honor, emphasizing collective efforts towards agricultural advancement.
Hang bagi Kristiannya pilu, agak por kita day pan let's go, day pan let's go. But bagi day pan nak kelayo kencing nang jiksta, kencing ti yang kam jumpi. Hadir bagi layo kencing nang jiksta, bagi cinti yang kam jumpi, ingat sekali. Bagi kekamai bagi yo mata, bagi kekamai bagi yo hadir, kalau long let's say laisa, syak, sausa, citusa. Ngiru iwan naga nongpendong ngawan nongpendong pagapor bagdang bet pagap ngaptek sina sa West Khasi Hills district nomor podang ketemke hangpor changi iskul hadu bagida betrek iskul ki ICT dan portrait ngiyok suti ke port bukti ngiyok suti ke port akbar tata ta baru kena skul Shillong ki balek skul ru hadu betrek idai inong grab iri kebelan sini mesti dan harta kedor ikmi ikba ilah kerjaan ekon cukupi dengan tentu yang hero mat walapi wat prepare school ini kuhun kan bagian dari pada school tambah kejumpuan kaya ki nadu bagi dan red bantrai yang kedekan bagi don yang kecingki kedekan ngan itu yang pila kita kita akan terang bagi simkan di lada kendon bentah, bicurai school, kendon tray apa tekan berhenti. Nado kuat bilai school, ya lam iki hikai iki, bakin iik ya kedekan. Banget, ide jikwa berbesar, jingmot berengkot, paswa pensyong, lese kedekan por, dan joki bobut, lalu menjok biru, tewadong, tapi kedon kecikong kawai gadak begini bukan dari society dan dari cai budaya dalam yang biasa kemat dan dari dalam progressive society dari negara kejembat kejemburong kita por. Nah tentu tapi hari por suah hanya ibat yang meneru. Kinong shong yang kembali dari por ini. Dia suah kerja menungkong ya syong to kat padang mo suah kat padang ap jiwa ni beliau yang perlu jingir waisho. Rimta kamnong sukumta. Tapi yang mana pun latihan baca agak por biang lewat. Ini sedang ikenderu. Rikam paita.
On the evening of May 2nd, a government bolero registered as ML01A0175 fell victim to a suspected petrol bomb attack while parked outside the Water Resources Department office. Swift action by the police and fire and emergency services prevented further damage as they extinguished the flames engulfing the vehicle. Sadly, the car was reduced to ashes in the blaze. Authorities have initiated an investigation into the incident, registering a case to unravel the motives behind this destructive act. mat office jong katanat water resources. Kipulit pelip ding marsenyo jing tip kilawan mare wood syakani ke jaka ban pelip yakading kabalak kelang yakani ke kali henre kani ke kali kala julor bat ingkong khat. Na kaliang jong kipulit kilawan poi syakani ke jaka bat la register case yakani ke jingja.
Wih, nabo pun, lay pun yang, tak tayar. Kahit tu no, tay. No, ni tay, lapalas.
The West Khasi Hills District Sports Officer orchestrated the 3rd Eastern West Khasi Hills District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024 on May 2nd at the KSA Mission Ground, Mairang. With Darlene Konglam, Sports Officer of the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, inaugurating the event as a chief guest, the atmosphere was charged with anticipation and excitement. Ballerina's aim, alongside esteemed headmen, government officials and enthusiastic students, graced the occasion. A total of 23 schools partook in this athletic extravaganza, showcasing their talent across their categories for under 14, 16 and 18, catering to both genders. The meet not only fostered healthy competition but also served as a platform for camaraderie and the celebration of youthful athleticism.
As a symbol of opening this athletic meet, please clap louder, yes, very nice.
Acting and abiding by rules that govern them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of teams and the glory of sport. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Baptistan Hamolong.
The race is on after the sound of the rifle is leading the race 579, not that far behind. They are trying to compete, trying to be ahead. Who will cross the finishing line? The finishing line is in sight, but it seems to have crosses the line. I, gentlemen, early call for the Upper Secondary. This is the first call. The race is on. The under 18 girls who is leading the race very much ahead, but not that far ahead. The others are trying to overcome, to pass through to the finishing line. Who will reach first? Will the leader lead the race? Easy. Pip number 1679. Banshamlang El Maulong, Mairang Press English Secondary School. The race is underway. Is leading the race side by side. The boys are showing their strength, executing their strength, whatever they have. They are trying to give in for the best. The boys are fighting. The boys are running executing the string. Who is leading? Look side by side. But pip number 1654 seems to be leading the race. President of the race, number 1, Who is leading the race? It's 1896, just number 1896.
Where they get a chance to compete with one another and to know the position and to also to aim higher in life. So I welcome all the athletes who are present here, and I urge upon you that fitness is not only fitness that is important to you, but excellence in sports itself has many avenues. Informing you that the district level inter-school athletic meet is organized in all the districts of the state. We have 12 districts, and the same program is being organized in all the districts where the top athletes, top talented athletes are selected to represent the district at the state level tournament, which is conducted by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, which is a platform for athletes to display the skills, the talents in the field of athletics. It promotes the spirit of oneness and spirit of competition that encourage the athletes to achieve the best. The Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs do spot talented athletes during the state level athletic meet conducted by the department. We provide further coaching camp and further send teams to represent the state at the national level competition. We have the national sports games, which is organized by the School Games Federation of India. We do send teams for the National School Games and also for the Khelo India Youth Games. These are the big national tournaments. So from the state level, we do select athletes to represent, and there are some other tournaments too, which we have the regional, the zonal, the E-zone, all these competitions. We do send teams to represent the state. So as school-going children, you should know that sports and academics is equally important, because both contribute to the nourishment of a child. So everything you need is to balance yourself. Always you need to balance as a school students. You need to balance yourself. You should have a time management between play and studies. So there's a saying which says that men are born to succeed and not to fail, because success depends on the positive condition of the mind and body. So how to succeed in life as an athlete, as an individual, as a youth, how to succeed in life, whether it is in sports or academics.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.